Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Bashira. My metric number is B034102231.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hazwani binti Hazri with the metric number of B032410226.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ain Izati.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arfa Aisyah binti Makjizi. Material number B0324102024.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aina Bakti binti Zainuddin and my matrix number is B0324102233.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Nabila binti Yuzni and my metric number is B032410234.
Good morning, Doctor and everyone. I will be presenting about the headquarters, which is located in Shah Alam. If you could see, the headquarters consists of 4 departments, namely the Technical Department, Management Department, Server Farm, and Sales and Marketing Department. The headquarters is allocated with the network address 192.168.764/26 with the subnet mask 255.255.255.192. This subnet provides 62 usable IP addresses, which are sufficient to accommodate all 30 hosts in the headquarters. According to our IP addressing scheme, the Technical Department is allocated the IP address range from 192.168.1.7.66 to 192.168.7.69 for its 4 wire PCs, which are connected through a switch. Next, the Management Department is allocated the IP address range from 192.168.7.70 to 192.168.7.81. This department consists of 6 wire PCs, 4 wireless PCs, and 2 wireless notebooks. The wire devices are connected through a switch, while the wireless devices connect through a wireless access point. The server farm is allocated the IP address range from 192.168.7.82 to 192.168.7.85 for its 4 servers. These servers are connected to a dedicated switch to provide network services for the organization. Lastly, the Sales and Marketing Department is allocated the IP address range from 192.168.7.86 to 192.168.7.95. This department consists of 5 wireless PCs and 5 wireless notebooks, and all of these devices connect through a wireless access point. The HQ router is configured with the IP address 192.168.7.65/26, which act as the default gateway for all end device in the headquarters. In addition, all hosts are configured to use the given DNS server. Finally, all 4 departments are connected to the headquarters router. The headquarters router is connected to the ISP router through the WAN. This enables communication between the headquarters branch 1 in Kulim and branch 2 in Skudai. Thank you.
So I'll be presenting about this branch 1, which is Kulim. It is for these 2 single-story houses, which is House A that serves as the service department and House B that serves as the staff hostel. Under House A, there are 4 wired PCs, while under House B, there are 7 notebooks. Why 7? Because our group is number 7, so our X is equal to 7. We use VLSM for dividing the allocated network given into 2 equally subnetworks. And then this Kulim branch is allocated with the IP address of 10.0.1.0/24 with the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. So this local interface router BR1 is configured with the IP address of 10.0.1.1/24 as the default gateway for all the end devices in Kulim branch. All these hosts within the Kulim is configured to point to the DNS server given. Thank you.
Now, I will explain about a network topology for the branch 2 in Skudai. This layout is divided into 2 distinct operational zones, which is for the ground floor for the service department and the first floor for the staff hostel. So the entire branch is unified under a single net to keep routing simple. So the network ID is 10.0.0.0/24 and the default gateway is 10.0.0.1 for all the external traffic. So for the infrastructure breakdown, so the first one, which is a ground floor using for the service department, so that is handle the business operation. It use a stable wired Ethernet setup. It was consist 7 workstation, which is from the service 1 PC1 until the service 1 PC7. It was assigned into a sequential IP address range from 10.0.0.2 until 10.0.0.8. So for each PC connect directly to dedicated switch port from FA 0/1 to FA 0/7. So next, for the first floor, which is staff hostel, is prioritized for user usability. So it's utilizing a wireless setup. 10 laptop, hostel 1, notebook 1, until hostel 10, notebook 10, with a range IP address from 10.0.0.1.9 until 10.0.0.18. Connect via a central access point, which is AP SCUDAI. So this AP link directly to the core switch via the interface of FA 0/9. So the design successfully delivered the high reliability wired connection for the business operation alongside flexible wireless access for residential staff, all within a clean single subnet architecture.
Okay, I want to present about device setting. First, this show configuration at tab is 1 at headquarters. The device is configured using a static IP which is 192.168.766 and default gateway which is 192.168.7 and 65 and the NS server which is 111.11.33.2. Okay, next. This is the wireless host configuration in the management department. The wireless PC1 is connected to the headquarters access point and use a static IP configuration with the same gateway and the NS server as the headquarter network. This one, interface configuration of the headquarters router. The gigabyte Ethernet 00, which is 192.168.7 and 65, which acts as the default gateway, allowing device at headquarters to communicate with other network. Next, HQ access point. This shows the headquarters access point configuration. Configure with the SSID/Wi-Fi, enable wireless device to connect to the headquarters network. This is the configuration of service PC1 at branch 1. The device is static addressing with IP address which is 10.0.12/24 and gateway which is 10.0.1.1 and the NS server which is 111.11.33 and 2. Wireless notebook. This is the wireless notebook configuration at branch 1. It is connected to the cooling access point and use an IP address within the 10.0.10.24 per subnet. This is the gateway interface. Configuration of the branch 1 router. The router uses an IP address which is 10.0.1.1 as the default gateway for all hosts in the cooling. This point is configured with the SSID cooling Wi-Fi, allowing wireless notebook to connect to the network. This shows the configuration of service PC1 at branch 2. The device uses an IP address which is 10.0.0.2/24 and default gateway which is 10.0.0.1 and the NS server which is 111.11.33 and 2. This is wireless notebook. This is the configuration at branch 2. It uses an IP address within the 10.0.0.0/24 subnet and it is connected to the SCUDAI access point. Branch 2 router uses IP address which is 10.0.0.1 as the default gateway for all the devices in the SCUDAI network. The SCUDAI access point is configured with the SSID SCUDAI Wi-Fi, providing wireless connectivity for all wireless devices. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now let's demonstrate for the first example, which is I want to see whether tag PC4 from first floor can successfully connected or not to service PC1 from branch 1. So how to see it? We just need to click the tag PC4 from first floor and then we go to the desktop and then we click on command prompt and now we just input the ping and the IP address from service PC1 from branch 1, so which is 10.0.1.2. Okay, so now let's just waiting. Okay, so how to see whether it's successfully connected or not? It will display reply from 4 times, so it means it's already successfully connected. Okay, so just now I just explained to you the connectivity between the device and the device. So right now I'm going to explain to you the example from router to router. So I want to test which is whether the HQ router is successfully connected or not with router from branch 2. So I just need to click here and from CLI, now I just need to click enter and I just need to write ping and the IP address for branch 2 router from branch 2. So it's 0.0.0.1. Okay, let's see. Now it's display success rate is 100%. So it means it's already successfully connected. So that's it.
Okay, right now I'll be explaining about appendix, which is you click any device in this topology, but I will choose in the 1 server at 1, and then I click and then go to desktop and click my browser, and then you just enter the link that be given from the report, which is http www.bonus.com, and then it will be display this output, which means our team already successfully configured all the wireless. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.